Asterisk asterisk, title asterisk asterisk, The Unexpectedly Loud Sounds of a Whispering Gallery. Asterisk asterisk, content asterisk asterisk. Imagine a place where a whisper, barely audible to the person speaking it, can be clearly heard across a vast distance. This isn't a magical realm or a science fiction fantasy. It's the fascinating reality of a whispering gallery. These architectural wonders, found in various buildings around the world, utilize the principles of sound reflection to create an almost unbelievable acoustic effect. The secret lies in their curved shapes, typically elliptical or dome-like structures. Think of it like this. Imagine throwing a pebble into a still pond. The pebble creates ripples that spread outwards, eventually bouncing off the edges of the pond. Sound waves behave in a similar fashion within a whispering gallery. When a sound is produced at one focus point of the elliptical structure, the sound waves travel along the curved surface, reflecting off the walls. These reflections are remarkably precise, causing the sound waves to converge at the other focus point, resulting in a concentrated and amplified whisper that can be easily understood across a significant distance. It's a truly remarkable demonstration of acoustics, transforming a quiet murmur into a surprisingly clear and loud transmission. The whisper doesn't simply travel in a straight line. It's cleverly guided by the architectural design, bouncing off the meticulously crafted surfaces. This focusing effect is so effective that even a faint whisper can be heard with startling clarity by someone positioned at the opposite focus point, while those standing elsewhere in the room hear little to nothing. This phenomenon isn't just a quirky acoustic trick. It's a testament to the sophisticated understanding of sound principles possessed by architects of the past. While the precise origins of whispering galleries are shrouded in some mystery, many notable examples exist throughout history, often found in grand buildings like cathedrals and libraries. These structures were built long before the modern scientific understanding of acoustics, suggesting a more intuitive grasp of sound behavior than we might initially assume. The most famous whispering gallery is perhaps the one found in St. Paul's Cathedral in London. This vast cathedral, with its impressive dome, perfectly demonstrates the principle of sound focusing. Visitors to St. Paul's can experience this intriguing effect firsthand, standing at designated points and whispering to each other across the vast space, amazed by the clear transmission of their quiet words. The same effect, however, can also be observed on a smaller scale in places like certain railway tunnels or even oddly shaped rooms. The key is the presence of a curved surface that facilitates the focused reflection of sound waves. What makes whispering galleries particularly fascinating is the counterintuitive nature of their acoustic properties. We typically associate loud sounds with amplified volume and quiet sounds with diminished audibility. However, a whispering gallery flips this expectation on its head, transforming a quiet whisper into a surprisingly audible transmission across a substantial distance. This effect highlights the power of architectural design to shape and manipulate the way sound waves behave within a space. Beyond their entertainment value, whispering galleries hold a certain scientific significance, providing a tangible demonstration of the principles of acoustic reflection and focusing. They offer a captivating illustration of how sound waves can be manipulated through strategic architectural design, creating an experience that is both intriguing and awe-inspiring. These architectural marvels are a delightful reminder that the world around us is filled with subtle and often surprising scientific phenomena, waiting to be discovered and appreciated. The very existence of whispering galleries serves as a tribute to the ingenuity of past architects and engineers who, without the aid of modern computational tools, managed to create spaces with such remarkable acoustic properties. The precise design and construction required to achieve this effect underscores the depth of their understanding, making these galleries not just examples of impressive acoustics, but also historical landmarks showcasing human ingenuity and the enduring power of architectural design. Exploring these architectural acoustic wonders offers a unique and engaging way to learn about sound, reflection, and the power of architectural design. So, next time you have the opportunity, visit a whispering gallery and experience the magic of a focused whisper, a testament to the fascinating interaction between sound and architecture. It's a reminder that even the quietest sounds can hold immense power when harnessed by the right design. The whisper, amplified and carried across the space, becomes more than just a sound. It becomes a captivating demonstration of the wonders of acoustics.